If you need to request a refund from Spotify due to an unexpected payment, follow these simple steps to guide you through the process. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Spotify website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you are accessing the account associated with the payment you wish to dispute. Step 2. Access the Help section. Once logged in, navigate to the Help section. This can typically be found at the bottom of the page or in the account menu. Look for options related to billing or payments. Step 3. Find a refund request option. In the Help section, search for information on refunds. Spotify has specific guidelines for refund requests, so locate the relevant article or link that explains how to initiate a refund. Step 4. Submit your request. Follow the instructions provided to submit your refund request. You may need to fill out a form or provide details about the payment, including the date and amount. Be clear and concise in your explanation. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your request, wait for Spotify's customer support team to respond. They will review your request and inform you of the outcome. Keep an eye on your email for any updates. By following these steps, you can effectively request a refund from Spotify. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to the customer support for additional assistance.